Hey Amber, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. Happened to be doing some research in your area and came across your website and figured I'd show you a short video for you all going over 3 things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content. So content is everything that you can visually read on your site, and it also includes every single photo that's here. The reason that it also includes photos is because Google has the capability of seeing what's behind them, and all that means is what were they saved as before they were uploaded to the website. Google wants to see 2 things. They want to see that you're providing value to your readers, and they also want to see what keywords are on your site. That way they know who to connect you to whenever your future customers are using that Google search result. And so a really good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this home page here to be considered an authority with Google. And then you would want to have those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Sarasota Construction Company. Whenever your future customers are typing this in, the first thing that's populating are ads here. And so ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business, but for now we're going to scroll past those. And this next section is what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you really want to be ranking in the top 3 spots here because the top 3 spots get the majority of that 30 to 40% of business. The way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. And with a really fast search, I see that you all do have one, so that's great. And the next thing would be to have this profile completely optimized. The way that you do that, you want to keep up these 5-star reviews here. You guys are doing great. You just want to make sure you're being consistent with it. And then with your profile, you want it filled out as completely and accurately as possible. And so for this section here, citations play a key role in ranking you. And all a citation is, it's your business name, the address, and the phone number exactly as you have it on your profile in your local directories. So some of those examples could be Yelp, that could be Facebook. And so my recommendation would be to go in and find out what each of your competitors have, go get those for yourself, and then you do want to outdo them. So you'd want to go get more citations than they have. And then that way you can be ranking in this Google Map Pack section and get your share of that 30 to 40% of business there. And if we scroll down, this is what's called the organic listing. And so the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. And so we're getting to the bottom of that first page here. And it's very important that you're on this first page because over 90% of people will stay on this first page. And you want to be up as high as possible to get the most amount of website traffic as possible. Because the more eyes that are landing on your website, the more people that would be converting into your customers there. Something that we can do is we can plug in your website into a tool called Ahrefs, and then here we can take a look at the back end of your website. These ratings here are pulled from Google data, DR and UR. This is the trustworthiness and the authority of your site. You'll have 4 and 4.7. What makes up your ratings here are the 24 backlinks that you have, and these backlinks are coming from 8 referring domains. So backlinks, this is the last thing I wanted to touch on, and all a backlink is one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. And you want to get high quality backlinks here so that you're boosting these ratings above your competitors. That way you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result there. You do need to be intentional here because there are spammy backlinks that will lower these ratings here. Something that does go hand in hand with this are keywords. You want to make sure that you're being boosted to the top of the Google search result for what you would actually want to be found for. So these go hand in hand. you'll currently have 2 keywords on your site and 5 monthly website traffic. And so we can do the exact same thing with every single competitor. This was the #1 ranking website for that keyword, Sarasota Construction Company, so this is who you would need to beat for that one. With their ratings, they have 9 and 18. What's making up their ratings are 1,600 backlinks that are coming from 113 referring domains. They have 229 keywords on their site and 102 monthly website traffic. And so what we'd want to do for you is we'd want to go get those high quality backlinks for you so that we're boosting your ratings above this website here. And what we can do is we can take a look at every single backlink that your competitor has and then link those high quality ones to your site, because if it is working for them to rank, it would work for you as well as taking a look at every single keyword that they're ranking for and make sure all the applicable ones are on your site. We would also do a separate search as well just to see if they're missing anything that applies to you. And with a really fast search of Sarasota remodeling, we can see that there are hundreds of people searching every single month for some variations of this here. Bathroom remodeling Sarasota, 200, kitchen, 100, and this list just keeps going here. And so we'd want to do this for every single variation, remodel, remodelers, and then every single service and area that you provide service to. And then make sure that you are ranking for those high quality keywords. And that way you have more eyes landing on your site there. Because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert into your customers there. And I hope that this video was helpful for you all. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.